Okay, this is your 48-hour forecast for central Pennsylvania, updating this Saturday, March 29th. The next 48-hour update will be Monday, the 31st. Today, we're going to talk about warm temperatures. We're going to talk about some rain. We're going to talk about a backdoor cold front that's going to try to work east. And we're even going to talk a little bit at the end about snow. Okay, so now this is around noontime. You can see there are a few showers out here by State College and then up this way, moving across the state. Nothing major yet, but just move across the northern part. This is around 1 o'clock on Saturday. Here's 2 o'clock as it moves to the east. Might even be a little thunderstorm involved with this. But then as we get towards the evening hours, you can see this is definitely something heavier up here as it comes across. Temperatures as we go through the afternoon, you can see there are 60s and some 70s out there, and where the rain is falling, of course, it's cooled the air a little bit. And here comes this backdoor cold front kind of. It's moving in from the east, from New York and towards eastern PA, but it's also dropping down from the north. Now, this is around 9 o'clock tonight. You can see that cold temperatures are just beginning to seep in the PA. We still have some showers around, so we're not dried out yet. And then actually, as we get to around midnight, you can see there are some showers and lighter drizzles and stuff out there. But then this kind of keeps going overnight. This takes you to around 5 in the morning, and at 5 in the morning, that backdoor cold front. See where it's at here? I'm going to back this up. I'm going to show you how it comes in from the east. Now you see these are your temperatures at midnight. Here it comes, keeps moving. This is around 2 a.m. Here's 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m. It's coming from the east instead of from the northwest. So it's cooled it off into the 40s even here by Harrisburg, Selinsgrove, Williamsport, and yet out by State College is 70 degrees. So, you'll figure that out. That's a big difference. As we get towards the early morning hours around 11, you can still see temperatures have dropped into the 40s. It's still not bad out here towards State College, but we have some precipitation that wants to come back across the state, and this is going to be on the day. This is 7 o'clock in the morning on Monday, and you can see some showers. But as we go further into the day, here's noontime, some steadier rain beginning to move across, and then you'll see a frontal system like right here. This is in the afternoon, around 4 o'clock. Some showers. There could be some thunderstorms in here mixed in, starting to move across the state. And there's some of them are strong. This takes you to around 8 o'clock in the evening. They're beginning to move off to the east, but there's still some showers behind. This is around 11 o'clock Monday night. Nothing's cleared out yet. And as you can see, even some more thunderstorms develop, or heavy rains develop about 4 o'clock in the morning, um, Monday morning. So you can see these, and then they move off by daybreak, and then you're just left with some showers behind it. But then we got a main cold front here. This thing means some business. Now, here's this moving across. This is Monday afternoon. Now, this is heavier thunderstorms down here, some showers to the north, and then this is going to try to cross the region. And here's a real big line right here, late in the afternoon on Monday, crossing, going towards Lancaster. And behind it, the temperatures will begin to drop. Let's see here if we can make this go. You can see here, ahead of it, 60s, upper 60s, and behind it, even back this way, toward this way, is around 39 degrees. So we've got a big difference here in what's going to happen. So just keep that in mind, that temperatures are going to be going all over the place. No, this isn't part of a 48-hour forecast, but I want to take you out to the following week when some colder air is going to come in. I don't expect anything to snow, maybe a little bit, a very little bit, that won't even stick during the week. But as we get into around the 7th, Monday the 7th, you can start to see here comes something right here. Now, this is the Euro AI, not the GFS that's been wrong. This is the Euro AI, and it's been on this for a couple of days now, a few days now. So it's showing this for the time period, the 7th through the 8th. And it would be an unusual snowstorm for down south here. Nothing unusual for the Poconos, but this would be quite unusual if this sticks together and goes into New England right along the coast. Going to keep an eye on it. Not saying it's going to happen, but the AI has shown this, I think, 6 or 7 times out of the last 9 runs. So that's, interesting. The other models show a little bit, but they don't show this. So we're going to keep an eye on it. All right, everybody take care. Be safe.